Hi guys, my name is Adam Spring and I'll be sharing with you my experiences in capturing, processing and cleaning up head scan data for creating digital characters. For the capture process, I'll be using a single camera approach which can be used by anyone who owns a digital camera. For processing the data, I'll be using Lightroom and Metashape. The cleanup process will be using a range of software such as ZBrush, Wrap, Photoshop and Mari. By the end of this course, you should have gained a better understanding of photogrammetry and the cleanup process. I will be teaching you how to create a retopologized head model and photorealistic texture map that can be used in any digital double pipeline. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and thanks for watching.